नमस्कार दोस्तों, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू ऑल एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टुडे। स्वागत है आपका पढ़ाई करो करो तैयारी जीत की यूट्यूब चैनल पर। 365 डेज द डे इट वॉज के आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे चौधरी चरण सिंह, अ फ्रीडम फाइटर एंड फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया हु वाज बोर्न ऑन दिस डेट। विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी, which is a public research university and an institution of national importance, was established on this date in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal by Rabindranath Tagore. Vijan Kumar Mukherjee was appointed as the fourth Chief Justice of India on this date. Kisan Divas was celebrated for the first time across the country on this day in the honor of 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh, who was born on this date. P.V. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister of India, passed away on this date at the age of 83 in New Delhi. तो आइए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की मोटिवेशनल कोट से। सफ़र में धूप तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो, सभी हैं भीड़ में तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो। किसी के वास्ते राहें कहाँ बदलती हैं, किसी के वास्ते राहें कहाँ बदलती हैं, तुम अपने आप को खुद ही बदल सको तो चलो। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के पॉइंट। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, 23 दिसंबर 1900 was born on this date in Nurpur, Meerut district, which is present day Hapur district, Uttar Pradesh. He was known as the champion of India's peasants for introducing several policies to improve the lives and conditions of farmers in the country. He started his career as a lawyer in 1928. He practiced law at Ghaziabad. Charan Singh followed Mahatma Gandhi in non-violent struggle during the independence movement and was imprisoned several times. In 1937, he was first elected to the UP Legislative Assembly from Chaprauli and represented the constituency in 1946, 52, 62 and 67. He was the chief architect of land reforms in UP and played a key role in formulation and finalization of the Department Reduction Bill in 1939. After independence, he became the 5th Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 3rd April 1967 to 25th February 1968, from 18th February 1970 to 1st October 1970. As Chief Minister, he was instrumental in bringing about the Landholding Act 1960. He was the 3rd Deputy Prime Minister of India from 24th January 1979 to 20th July 1979. He was the 5th Prime Minister of India from 20th July 1979 to 14th January 1980. On his birthday, 23rd December, Kisan Divas is celebrated in India. His memorial in New Delhi is known as Kisan Ghat. 29 May 1990, on his third death anniversary, Government of India issued a commemorative postage stamp. Amausi Airport in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh was renamed as Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport in his honor. In his honor, University of Meerut was renamed as Chaudhry Charan Singh University. He wrote several books like Joint Farming X-Rate, India's Economic Policy, The Gandhian Blueprint, Abolition of Zamindari, Cooperative Farming Acts, Prevention of Division of Holding Below a Certain Minimum. Next point, 23rd December 1921, Vishwa Bharati University, which is a public research university and an institution of national importance, was established on this date in Shanti Niketan, West Bengal by Rabindranath Tagore. Before independence, it was a college, and after independence in 1951, it got the status of a central university by an act of the parliament. Its motto is Yatra Vishwam Bhavatya Kadinam, which means where the world makes a home in a single nest. National Institutional Ranking Framework ranked Vishwa Bharati 50th among universities in India. About Rabindranath Tagore, 7th May 1861 to 7th August 1941. He was a poet, writer, painter and philosopher who reshaped Bengali literature, music and Indian art with contextual modernism in the early 20th century. In 1913, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature and he became the first non-European and first lyricist to have been awarded the Nobel Prize. National anthem Jan Gan Man is his composition. Next point, 23rd December 1954, Vijan Kumar Mukherjee was appointed as the 4th Chief Justice of India on this date. From 23rd December 1954 to 31st January 56, he served as the Chief Justice of India. 23rd December 2001, Kisan Divas was celebrated for the first time across the country on this day in the honor of 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhry Charan Singh, who was born on this date, 23rd December 1902. Former PM Chaudhry Charan Singh was known as a Kisan leader as he introduced several policies to improve the conditions and lives of farmers in the country. The objective of Kisan Divas is to promote awareness among the people about the importance and contributions of the farmer to the society and overall social and economic development of the nation. The government organized many activities, seminars, and workshops to celebrate this day. Next point, 23rd December 2004, P.V. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister of India, passed away on this date at the age of 83 in New Delhi. Before independence, Narasimha Rao participated in Indian freedom struggle. After independence from 57 to 77, he served as an elected representative in Andhra Pradesh State Assembly. He became the fourth Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh from 30th September 1971 to 10th January 1973. He served as the Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from 23rd March 77 to 31st December 84, from 31st December 84 to 13th March 91, from 20th June 91 to 10th May 96, from 15th May 96 to 4th December 1997. He was the 9th Prime Minister of India from 21st June 91 to 16th May 1996. He was known as the father of Indian political reform. He is also known for dismantling the license Raj. He could speak in 11 languages, 9 Indian languages and 8 foreign languages. Narasimha Rao wanted to test nuclear weapons in December 95, but the Americans discovered about the preparations in Pokhran. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee became PM and conducted the nuclear test, Vajpayee ji said that Rao told me that the bomb was ready, I only exploded it. तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज का ये सेशन आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल और इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा होगा. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर दीज वीडियोस. पढ़ाई करो टीम की तरफ से ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.